It's getting very windy, but it's getting very difficult for me to open the patio door to take pictures there for you because it's getting very hard to get the door shut again. I have to scrape snow out with my fingers to get the door shut again because the snow comes in so fast. But you can see the wind. It's picked up. It's even blowing a lot of the snow away there in the yard, so more grass shows than it was showing before. I keep the screen door open because otherwise sometimes it gets frozen shut and I can't even get that open at all in the winter to get out to the bird feeder or to put food out for the birds. And the birds have barely been here now because they're hunkered down. I mean, look at the wind. The gusts are getting gustier. Yeah, just thought I'd let you know, but no, I'm not gonna try and step outside. I'm going to show you from the safety and warmth of inside my apartment this time. And I figure this is the last time I'll probably get to show you. It's going to get worse tonight, but you know, the sun sets so early and it's like 4 o'clock and it's going to be getting dark in a half hour. So I thought I'd better let you see some of it now. This is for all of my blogger friends and YouTube people that don't have snow, so you can see what it's like. Okay, well, this is a onset of the blizzard. Bye.